One of the difficulties that many counsellors and therapists encounter is helping a client to put into practice the changes that are discussed and agreed would be helpful in the therapy room. In guided imagery, harnessing the incredibly powerful resource of imagination to rehearse that change, and using specific language skills to further support that work, we build a bridge, if you like, from that therapeutic space to the real world of their life, collaboratively working with them to create pathways which are then easier to follow. And beyond this, it has so many other benefits too. It's a powerful technique for lowering emotional arousal, for working with the mind-body connection, and as a vehicle for specific techniques that can be used very effectively to work with trauma and addiction. In this introductory course, you'll learn how to deeply relax your clients and to begin using guided imagery to create positive change. There are lots of opportunities to practice during the day, and the opportunity to experience some deep relaxation for yourself too. It would be lovely to see you there so that you can begin to explore the power and potential that this technique offers.